Hi, my name is Dr. Boddicker, and I'm an athletic trainer at Cornerstone Health. Today we're going to be talking about patients that have hip pain. You might be one of these people that experiences hip pain, which is something we work with a lot at our clinic. Whether you're a weekend warrior or you like to stay active during your free time, walking your dog, playing with your kids, or biking or running, this exercise, what we're going to go through, it's called hip circles. It's going to target opening up your hip and improving your flexibility, which will help improve your performance and make you feel better. Okay, now we're going to go through the hip circle exercise together. So to start this exercise, we will move into a tabletop position or on your hands and knees, preferably on a softer surface that won't cause pain in your wrists or your kneecaps. So we will go down to one knee, transition to a hands and knees position. Keep your neck nice and relaxed and straight. From this position, we're going to emphasize the right side for our demonstration. So shift your weight slightly to the left knee, lift up the right knee so it's elevated off of the ground. From this position, you are going to draw circles with your kneecap. Pretend that your kneecap is like a paintbrush and you're trying to draw nice big circles. So we'll start clockwise, trying to make those circles a little bit bigger each time. Perform about 5 to 6 circles here. And then we'll transition into a counterclockwise position, repeating 5 to 6 reps. Then you will repeat the same thing on the opposite side. All right, now that we've gone through the hip circles demonstration together, a recommended dosage for myself and my colleagues here at Cornerstone Health is 5 to 6 reps on each leg, preferably in the morning, in the evening for overall general health, and as part of your warm-up before you begin your activity. If you are a weekend warrior or you like to stay active in your free time, please check out the next video that we're going to do. It's called Hip Groiner Exercise.